So the other day I found a pair of unfinished Forces in my closet. At first I didn't really know what to do with them, so I thought it would be a great idea if I did a Phoenix Suns and Milwaukee Bucks theme. So for this video I'm going to focus on the Phoenix Suns custom. So basically you'll see everything from the airbrushing, the hand painting, and the creation of the stencil. If you happen to enjoy the video or you like it, smash the like button, show some love, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, and hope you enjoy the video. To start this custom off, I use a base layer of black. I use like 1 or 2 coats since it's already dark, so I don't have to really use that much paint. Now that we have our black layer on, we can start applying other colors and we can then focus on airbrushing. When airbrushing, you want to focus on applying light coats. I typically use 5 to 7 layers to get the proper saturation and color intensity. Now that we have our base coat and airbrushed our shoe, it's time to open up Adobe Illustrator and create the stencil. To create my stencil, I use a Cricut cutter. This helps me with the precision of the design so I can place it on the shoe. Now that we have the stencils cut and laid on the shoe, we can now turn the shoe into a real Phoenix Suns custom. For this next step, I decided not to use a stencil to create the toe box. I wanted to show like my artistic capabilities, so I decided to hand paint the Phoenix Suns logo on the toe. Now that the shoe is finished, I'm going to apply a high gloss finisher. It's going to be kind of shiny, but that's okay because I'm not wearing them. I'm only keeping them for display purposes. So that's going to do it for today's custom. Let me know what y'all think about them in the comment section. If I can rate these, I'll give it an 8.5 out of 10. I think they're pretty cool, but there's some things I could have did differently. But I'm really excited for them. And I'm actually ready to start the second shoe. Next shoe is going to be Milwaukee Bucks themed. But nah, thank y'all for watching for real. I really appreciate y'all support. And stay tuned.